Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about electromagnet. So, what is electromagnet? Electromagnet are a magnet, but it's different than the permanent magnet because in the permanent magnet, the features of magnetism are inbuilt in it. But in electromagnet, when the electric current passes when the electric current passes through that conductor, it converted into a electromagnet and it behaves like an magnet having two different poles. Okay, so we'll study now what is electromagnet, how to know about the polarity. Okay, what is electromagnet? So simple question first. When you came to know about the topic electromagnet, a simple question came to into mind. What is electromagnet? We have learned, we have known from our childhood that the magnet we know, but what is electromagnet? Electromagnets are a different from permanent magnet. As I have told, electromagnets are different from permanent magnet. Electromagnets are made of coils of wire with electricity passing through them. This is a simple electromagnet where a current in this battery, by using this battery, we are supplying a current through this coil to this iron nail. So this iron nail will behave as an electromagnet when the current is attached to it. When we disconnect this current, this will behave as a normal conductor. Okay, moving charges. How electromagnet form? Moving charges, these are from positive to negative, the charges are moving. Due to this moving charges create magnetic field. So when the coils of the wire in a electromagnet have an electric current passing through them, the coil behave like a magnet. So when these charges are moving, charges are passing through this conductor, so these coils will behave like an magnet. This is what called as electromagnet. When we disconnect this current passing through, when we disconnect this battery, this will not behave as an magnet. So due to electric current passing through it, the behaves of the conductor changes to the behave like a magnet. So this is called an electromagnet. Due to electric current, it converted into magnet, so it is known as electromagnet. Now we have known what is electromagnet. So by knowing what is electromagnet, we have to know its polarity. Which side behaves like a north pole, which side behaves like a south pole. So how we will know about this polarity? By a simple method which is called right hand screw rule or Maxwell's cock screw rule. Okay, what is right hand screw rule? It is also often called right hand thumb rule, whatever you can call it. The simple method is called right hand thumb rule. How it works? When by taking, this is a screw. Okay, you have often used this type of screw to fix something. At the time of turning this screw, if your grip if your grip will be in the direction of rotation, so that the screw will go forward, and your thumb will be in this direction of where the screw is going. So your thumb will indicate the direction of current and your grip will indicate the direction of rotation, which gives the direction of magnetic field. Got it? When you are holding a screw in your right hand and you are turning it on and you are tightening it, you are making the screw move forward. So if the thumb indicate the direction of screw is going, then your thumb will indicate the direction of current, and your grip, your other fingers will indicate the direction of magnetic field. Okay, in this picture also, if when your thumb is indicating the direction of current and your grip is indicating the direction of magnetic field. So how you will know the polarity now? So the polarity. How will you know about the polarity of electromagnet? The polarity of electromagnet is determined by the direction of current. How the for an example, this will be the positive charges and this will be the negative charges. From the positive charges, the current will flow towards the negative charges. As your the current flows, your grip, by using the Maxwell corkscrew rule or the right hand thumb rule, you can know the polarity. You will put your thumb in the direction of current, where the current is going. Current is going in this direction, so your thumb will put in this direction, and your grip will be in this direction. So the magnetic field will be on this direction, and your current will be on this direction. Okay, so from this you will get to know that where your thumb indicates, that is the north pole, and where is your opposite, that is south pole. Okay, the north pole of the electromagnet determined by using your right hand. Wrap your finger around the coil in the same direction as the current is flowing. The direction of thumb points in north direction. Wherever the current is going, your thumb indicates that in that direction, and that is the north polarity, and opposite is south polarity. Okay, another method I will simply explain in this. Let me say, for example, this is a coil. Okay, this is a coil. Current is flowing in this direction. Okay, in clockwise direction. Okay, you can say this is in clockwise. Clockwise direction, and this is in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clock. Okay, this is in anti-clock, this is in clock. So in the anti-clock means this will move like this. So simply by writing south here, see, in this direction the current is flowing or not? As I have written here, this is in the clockwise direction, means if the current is flowing in the clockwise direction, then that side will be the south pole of that electromagnet, and in the side the current is flowing anti-clockwise, that side will be known as the north pole of the electromagnet. So from this coils also, by looking at the coil, by the movement of current, if it is clockwise, then that side will be south pole. If it is anti-clockwise, that side will be north pole. That is simple method you can know the polarity of the electromagnet. Okay. Thank you. That's it for today. Do like, share, and subscribe. Do comment below if any other topic to be you want to be covered by me. So do search Navodayan 2012. Thank you. Have a good day.